Hi, hello everyone. Now, today I am going to discuss you about a story, a triumph of surgery. This is a story of a small dog who is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress, and he falls seriously ill, and his mistress consult a veterinary doctor surgeon. Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? That we are going to know. Okay, this is the NCERT book of class 10 and the first chapter of NCERT book. Now we are going to read this story. Let us read. I was really worried about this time. I had pulled up my ear when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner, and his eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, started straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. He was so listless, Mr. Harriet. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition, so I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up, some malt and cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. Here the writer is saying, यहाँ राइटर आपको बता रहे हैं कि कैसे वो मिस्ट्रेस है डॉग की, वो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा डाइट खिला देती है और वो चल फिर नहीं पाता है, उसका एकदम शरीर भारी हो जाता है, उसको इतना ज़्यादा खाना देती है कि वो अपने आप को मेंटेन नहीं कर पाता है। जब वो अपना सिचुएशन को मिसेस पम्फ्रे है सो राइटर के सामने, राइटर कौन है? हैरियट के सामने जब रखती है तो हैरियट ये सब सुन के एकदम आश्चर्यचकित हो जाते हैं और सोचते हैं कि इसको हम ठीक करेंगे, इस डॉग को। ओके, देन एंड डिड यू cut down on the sweet thing as I told you? Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak. I had to relent. He does love cream cakes and chocolate, so I can't bear to refuse him. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night, and I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Well, he has his little works with me, as you can see, but Hawking, the gardener, has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. यहाँ पर राइटर है सो पूछ रहे हैं उससे कि उस मालकिन से, उसकी डॉग की मालकिन से, कि क्या आप है सो अपने डॉगी को एक्सरसाइज करवाते हैं? तो मिसेस पम्फ्रे बोलती है कि हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत एक्सरसाइज करवाते हैं, लेकिन वो ना बहुत ग्रीडी है खाने के लिए, तो जो भी मांगता है हम दे देते हैं खाने के लिए। तो राइटर समझ जाते हैं कि अरे इसको तो क्या ग्रीडी के वजह से ही प्रॉब्लम हुआ है और ज़्यादा खाने के वजह से ही इस डॉग का ये कंडीशन है। I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. I am sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off head down along the road, and if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Meaning of tottering is staggering. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, dropping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. What is the meaning of distraught? Worried. Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug, panting, didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. यहाँ पे मिसेस पंफ्रे बता रही है कि वो जो डॉग है वो जितना भी खाना देती थी वो खाता तो था, लेकिन वो बीमार होने के वजह से उसको वो ठीक नहीं कर पा रही है और वोमिटिंग कर देता है जब खाना देती है। उसके पास बहुत सारा चीज़ है पहनने के लिए, रेनकोट है रेनी डे के लिए, कोल्ड ठंडा टाइम के लिए उसके पास कोल्ड कोट है, ट्वीड कोट है, लेकिन वो बहुत उसके वजह से वरीड है कि वो कब ठीक होगा, कैसे ठीक होगा। वो समझ नहीं पा रही है और अपना प्रॉब्लम को राइटर मिस्टर हेरियट से शेयर कर रही है। तो मिस्टर हेरियट है सो उनको बताते हैं कि आप एक्सरसाइज करवाइए, उसको बैलेंस डाइट दीजिए, तब वो ठीक होगा। फिर उसके बाद आगे हम लोग देखते हैं क्या होता है। I had made my plan in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. The poor lady almost swooned. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day, but I looked a firm line. Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailing, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. मिसेस पेम्फ्रे तो बता रहे हैं कि अब कोई उपाय नहीं है, अब हमको इसको लेके ही जाना पड़ेगा अपने पास। The entire staff was roused and maid rushed in and out bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushion, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, जो भी उसका रहता है वो सब है सो लेके मिस्टर हेरियट उसको वहाँ से लेके चले जाते हैं। रियलाइजिंग दैट माई कार वुड नेवर होल्ड ऑल द स्टफ आई स्टार्टेड टू ड्राइव। वो सोचते हैं कि ये तो सारा जितना भी सामान है इसका डॉगी का वो तो डालेगी, इससे बेटर है कि हम अपना गाड़ी स्टार्ट करें और यहाँ जल्दी से निकल लें। और फिर मिस्टर हेरियट उसको लेके चले जाते हैं। आई मेड अप अ बेड फॉर हिम इन अ वार्म loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day he started to show some interest in his surrounding, and on the third he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. वो बता रहे हैं कि जब अपने पास ले जाते हैं तो उसको 2 दिन तक तो खाना देते ही नहीं है, पानी देते हैं 2 दिन तक, और वो है सो वहाँ पर जितना कुत्ता रहता है उसी के साथ में रख देते हैं। मतलब उसको उस डॉगी को वो एनवायरनमेंट देते हैं एक डॉग लोग के साथ रहने का, और वो देखते हैं कि 2-3 दिन में वो थोड़ा थोड़ा बेटर होने लगता है वो डॉगी।